The topic for today is how to download and install Twinmotion 2024.1 offline with free activation. First, we will learn how to download Twinmotion offline. To download free Twinmotion software, search for Autodesk Student on Google. Click on Autodesk Education and Student Access. If you already have an Autodesk account, click on Sign In. If you don't have a student account in Autodesk, you can follow my previous video on how to create a student account, whose link is given below. Click Sign In. Enter your login ID. Click Next. Enter your password. Click on Sign In and wait for the page to load. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. Sometimes Autodesk may show you a student ID confirmation. Click Get Autodesk Software. After clicking, click on the products. Next, click on Download your software. Type Twinmotion for Revit in the search bar. Click on Twinmotion for Revit. Click on Access. After clicking, it will redirect you to the Twinmotion offline download website. Here you can see that Twinmotion is available for 64-bit operating systems. Let's scroll down. Here, you can see that different Twinmotion versions are available. To download the software, first click on View and Accept for License Agreement. After clicking, License Agreements page will appear. Read all the license agreements carefully and scroll down to the bottom. Put a tick on I have read and agreed. Click on Accept. After clicking, it will redirect you to the download page. Let's scroll down to the bottom. Here, you can see that different versions are available for download. Click on Download. The total size of the Twinmotion installer is around 16 GB. So this may take some time based on your internet speed. While downloading the software, let us know the system requirements for Twinmotion 2025. For entry-level system configuration, it required a 64-bit Windows 10 or 11 and an Intel or AMD CPU with a benchmark score of 2000 or higher. 16 GB of RAM, a minimum 6 GB graphics card for normal or lumen rendering, and an 8 GB graphics card for path tracer. For more details, you may visit the official Twinmotion site. A link is given below. So, as you can see, the software was downloaded in around 51 minutes. Next, click on Show All Downloads. Here, you can see the downloaded file location. Click on the Open File location. Double-click on the zip file. Next, how to install Twinmotion and activate it free of cost is given in the next part of the video. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.